Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to change the language on Honda Fit Hybrid. Buying a Honda Fit Hybrid imported from Japan can feel like getting a bonus puzzle mode you never asked for. The car runs great, but then you turn on the infotainment screen and suddenly every menu looks like you're trying to decipher ancient symbols. Fortunately, changing the language is usually pretty straightforward once you know where to look. Start by turning on the vehicle and opening the infotainment system. Look for the gear shape settings icon and enter the settings menu. From there, find the option labeled with the Japanese characters for language. Once you're inside the language settings, look for the English option and select it. On some Honda Fit hybrid models, especially older ones, you may need to use physical menu or setup buttons located beside the display rather than navigating entirely through the touchscreen. In that case, open the settings menu, find the language section, choose English, and confirm the change using the button that corresponds to OK or confirmation. Keep in mind that not every important Honda Fit hybrid supports a complete English conversion. Some factory-installed Japanese navigation system, particularly older units, were designed only for the Japanese market and may keep certain menus, maps, or navigation features in Japanese even after changing the available language settings. If that happens, the limitation is usually with the hardware itself rather than something you're doing wrong. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.